Hello and welcome to this week's video. I'm Julie with Balanced Life with Julie, health coach and nutritionist. So this week what I wanted to talk to you about is grounding. So grounding is literally the act of grounding ourselves to Mother Earth. And this is a practice that I started to learn back in 2011. I was actually working with someone, and at the time I was feeling very anxious, very stressed. And she gave me the practice of going outside to the grass, taking my shoes, my socks off, and just walking in the grass barefoot. And so that was my homework. That was something that I had to do every single day. And I find that with everything that's going on in the world, for those of you out there who are feeling very anxious or overwhelmed, and it's really, really important to find practices that can allow us to ground ourselves to Mother Earth. And so if you do have a backyard, I would advise that you take your shoes and your socks off and you go out there first thing in the morning, or maybe after the dew has kind of cleared up, but go out there and just walk in the grass barefoot. That's something that you can do, or you can lay in the grass barefoot. I actually did that this morning and did a quick little video just to show you what it looks like. And if you don't have access to an outdoor space, what you can do is find a park, make sure that you're socially distanced, and you can do that practice over there. Or the other option is to actually find a beach and some sand and do the practice there. But there are a whole bunch of different options that you can do. And it's good to get outside, especially now that the weather is starting to warm up. Fresh air is really, really good for our gut health. It changes our gut microbiome and helps us lift our mood and feel a little bit better. But we also want to ground ourselves to Mother Earth because it will allow us to feel that much more calm and restored. What you're actually doing is you're actually using the electrical charge of the earth and using that to change the chemistry in your body. So if you've never done grounding before, I would encourage you to go outside, give it a try, and do it at a time where you're not rushing, where you're not feeling like you have to get to something else or you're feeling behind. Like, really give yourself time to do it. That way you're going to get that much more benefit out of it. So that's what I have for you this week. If you are not signed up for my newsletter, make sure you do sign up. If you know anyone that could benefit from this video, please feel free to share it, and I will see you in next week's video. Bye for now.